Hey there ladies, I'm Tracy Panak, the Better Coach, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where I help women move from feeling bitter to better after breakups, date better the next time around, and generally protect their peace in spite of all of life's ups and downs. I'm glad you're here, and let's get into it. Maintenance phase today. That's just how I'm feeling. Let's talk about the maintenance phase of breakup recovery. This is the second of 3 phases in the breakup recovery process, the first being the survival phase and the third being the thriving phase. The maintenance phase is characterized by living a new normal, meaning you've reestablished your day-to-day routines and you generally have what you need to function on the day-to-day. And emotionally, you are typically less overwhelmed than you had been in the survival phase, though this is not to say that you don't have your good days and bad days, and more accurately, your good moments and bad moments. So I just realized I have spots on my shirt. In the maintenance phase, you have more mental and emotional space to reflect, meaning you have more of the ability to think and ask yourself important questions. This is a good time to think about the past relationship, not for the sake of dwelling in the past, but instead for the purposes of helping yourself heal and move forward. You can start to identify the positives and negatives of your past relationship, which will allow you to identify the positives that you want to bring into your present and future, and to fully recognize the things that weren't so great that you're perfectly happy leaving in the past. During this time, you want to reflect not only on past relationships, but on all aspects of your life in order to identify areas that you may want to change or improve. Do you want to make more money? Do you want to further your education? Do you want to change your housing situation? This is a time to identify what you feel is going well for you and what you would like to see change for the better. Reflection is only one key task of the maintenance phase, but there are others, and they are aimed at helping you bridge the gap between your present and future. After identifying areas of your life that you want to change, it is time to get into habits and routines that help to move your life forward in these areas. Maybe you want to reduce stress, so you're interested in getting into a meditation routine. Maybe you want to improve your health, so you are trying to work on meal prepping. Maybe you want to improve your finances. Maybe you want to have more time with your kids. Whatever the areas are, this is a time in which you reflect in order to identify the areas you want to improve, and then you start making a routine to make those things happen. I just want to take a moment to say that if anything about this video has been helpful to you, I strongly encourage you to join my email list for 3 reasons. First, you'll get breakup recovery, dating, and stress management tips. Second, you'll get first dibs at my group coaching programs where I help women recover from breakups and date better. And third, you'll get your free copy of the How to Get Over Your Ex cheat sheet. All right, now let's get back into it. A good question to ask yourself during this phase is, what do I need to live a happier life? Another great task during this phase is to start new hobbies and try new things. Lean into your new normal and a life without your ex. Start trying things that you haven't tried before that you've wanted to try. Get some new things and some new energy into your life. This helps to serve partially as a distraction from the past relationship, but also as a hope builder and an exciting, joyful infusion in your life for your present and future. In summary, the maintenance phase is about establishing a new status quo while also identifying the shifts you want to make in order to create your most ideal life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link to join my email list. See you soon.